Let's learn about the angle addition postulate. I think this tree understands shapes and angles. Uh-oh, where's he going with this? When an acorn becomes an oak, the first thing it says is geometry. Get it? Geometry. On our agenda, we're going to do the angle addition postulate. We'll talk about what it is and how we use it. Let's get ready. Grab your notes, pencil, and calculator. Try the problems along the way. We're going to do 4 problems together. The angle addition postulate states, if point D, right there, is in the interior of ABC, then the measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle DBC is going to equal the whole big angle, the measure of ABC. This should get written into your notes. Here's our first example. We kept the same picture. Remember, I'm going to label what I know. So the measure of angle ABD, that's going to be 20. DBC is 42, and we want to find ABC as it's represented by X. So I'm going to add my smaller angle plus my medium angle to equal X, and that's going to equal 62. So X equals 62, but also my angle equals 62 degrees. Let's try this example. The measure of angle ABD is X plus 7. The measure of angle DBC is 2X plus 19. The whole angle is 86 degrees. So I'm going to apply the angle addition postulate and add my 2 angles. X plus 7 plus 2X plus 19 equals 86. Combine like terms on the left, so X plus 2X is 3X plus 26 equals 86. I'm going to subtract 26 from both sides. 3X equals 60, divide by 3, and we get X to be 20. It also wants me to find angle ABD. ABD is the smaller angle, so the measure of angle ABD when I plug in 20 is going to be 27 degrees. Here we have a new example. ABD is 4X plus 2. DBC is 3X minus 7. And altogether, ABC is 5X plus 31. I'm going to apply the angle addition postulate, AAP, and I'm going to add my 2 smaller angles, 4X plus 2 plus 3X minus 7 equals 5X plus 31. We'll simplify on the left by combining like terms, so I get 7X minus 5 equals 5X plus 31. I'm going to subtract 5X from both sides. So I get 2X minus 5 equals 31. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. 2X equals 36. Divide by 2, and we get X to be 18. So my variable measures 18, and I'm going to plug it back into 5X plus 31 to find the big angle. So 5 times 18 plus 31 is 90 plus 31. So the measure of angle ABC is 121. That's supposed to be in degrees. I'm going to read this one and then I'll ask you to pause and try it. Here we have the measure of angle ABD as 6X minus 11, the measure of angle DBC, 4X minus 25, and the big angle ABC is 124. I'd like you to find X and the measure of angle ABD. Pause it and give it a try. I'm going to label my angle so I can see it in my picture. The whole big angle equaling a 124. So when I do AAP, I'm going to get 6X minus 11 plus 4X minus 25 equals 124. We get 10X minus 35 when we combine like terms. 10X equals 159, and oops, I dropped my X. X equals 15.9. So then when I figure out ABD, I'm going to do 6 times 15.9 minus 11. I'm going to multiply that out because I don't have my calculator. Oh. 95.4 minus 11, 84.4. And that could make sense for ABD. So the measure of angle ABD is 84.4 degrees. The angle addition postulate. Basically, it's the two smaller angles add up to equal the total big angle. Good job.